I do want to bring you out to Kenosha, Wisconsin. We've been checking in with Fox 6 Milwaukee's Amelia Jones basically on a daily basis to get us all up to speed. Now, the jury heard from 3 witnesses for the defense Tuesday, and they will hear more testimony today. So, Amelia, good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us again. What can you tell us about what we saw yesterday and then what we can expect today as well?
Good morning, Regina. Well, we are nearing the end of testimony here in Kenosha for the Kyle Rittenhouse trial, and we still do anticipate to hear from Kyle Rittenhouse himself, as his defense attorney indicated last week that Rittenhouse may testify during the trial. Now we're still waiting to see if and when this will happen, whether it will be today or towards the end of the week. Before the state rested its case Tuesday, the jurors were given a closer look at the first fatal shooting from August 25th, 2020. It was drone video that shows Joseph Rosenbaum running after Rittenhouse before Rittenhouse spins and fires his weapon. Then a forensic pathologist who performed autopsies on the 2 victims, Anthony Huber and Joseph Rosenbaum, took the stand. Prosecution argues that Rosenbaum was falling when he was shot. The defense says that Rosenbaum was lunging toward Rittenhouse. Dr. Doug Kelly testified that he could not determine if either happened. Then the defense, began their case and started calling on their witnesses. 3 witnesses testified. A former employee of CarSource, a business that has been frequently mentioned throughout the trial because it was very close to where those shootings took place. Also, a man who talked to Rittenhouse after the shootings happened testified, and then a man whose stepdaughter was filming the night when gunshots rang out.
Was an individual run up to him with a skateboard and swing it at him, letting go of the skateboard, and it hit Kyle between the neck and I would say the mid-back.
So I heard one and then bang, bang, bang.
Now, Amelia, I understand yesterday we saw one of the counts that Rittenhouse is facing get dismissed. So I understand that he's now facing 6 counts instead of 7. Am I right?
That's correct, Regina. Rittenhouse now faces 6 counts instead of 7. He was initially charged with violating curfew, and the judge dismissed that count Tuesday, stating that the prosecution did not provide enough evidence to support it.
Now, Amelia, I do want to ask you also, because we've seen reports from your team. We understand that authorities are investigating a reported recording of the Kyle Rittenhouse jury ahead of them arriving at the courthouse. What can you tell us about that?
Well, Regina, the sheriff's department is investigating what happened Tuesday morning. The judge, before he called the jury down to the courtroom, addressed the courtroom, stating that a person was seen taking a video recording of the jury from the pickup location. And the deputy who was there at pickup confronted the person, grabbed their cell phone, and then deleted the video. The judge then goes on to say that he spoke with the deputy, saying that if an incident like this happens again, the phone should be taken and then put into the courtroom. As I mentioned, the sheriff's department is investigating this incident. And of course, the privacy and secrecy of jurors in all trials is important. And the judge also addressed that, saying that he wanted to make sure that the jurors know they were taking this seriously and that their identity would be kept safe. Regina?
Very interesting. Well, we will definitely keep up with your team, as we have been, to bring us any developments when it comes to that situation and what we are seeing in the courtroom here in just a couple of minutes. So Fox 6 Milwaukee's Amelia Jones, thank you so much as always for joining us, and we'll check in with you tomorrow.
Thank you.